Hey guys, what's going on? We're using Deep Ellum today by Crowne and Crane. We'll talk a little bit about this. As you can see, it's obviously a sample puck. I've got that much that is in the bowl here. This is actually the second use of this. So you can see this is the lather here. Very, very nice. Love me some Crowne and Crane. Great scents over there. We are going to use the Merc eraser. Is this right side up? I think it is, yeah. The Merc eraser. And the People's Blade Super Iridium. We'll talk a little bit about that as well because for me, you know, your mileage may vary on everything in wet shaving. And for me, I don't think that blade's really that great for my whiskers. So we'll get into it. But most importantly, at least for this video, Havana Nights. Havana Nights will be released this Saturday. Now, as I'm recording this, it is Sunday night. It is Thursday night, the 26th or 27th? Whatever Thursday night is, April 26th or 27th. It's been a long week. We've been trying to get everything completed. But Havana Nights will be released on Saturday at the Razor Company and at nightwatchsoapco.com. But we're not shaving with that. We're not going to talk too much about that. It is a tobacco, coffee, cream, woods, cashmere. Yeah, it's a very, very nice scent. Actually, my wife made this specific scent. She's Cuban. She made this scent all by herself. I gave her, I gave her like 10 different bottles of fragrance and 8 fragrance oils and 2 essential oils. 10 total, and I was like, you know, make something. This is what she came up with. We sent it out to several guys. Everybody loves it. So we were like, okay, let's go ahead and push it out. What are we going to call it? And obviously, you know, her being, let me go ahead and get lathering here. Her being Cuban, we wanted to name it something with Cuba. At least our old world Cuba. You know, now maybe not so much, but, you know, kind of old world type Cuba vibes. So there we go. Like I said, this Saturday. All right. We're using our QED Select brush here. Hoping for a great shave. I have not recorded a shave actually in like a week. So hoping that, and I've really just been doing like 1 or 2 pass shaves. This will probably be a 2-pass shave, but I find that, you know, if I don't have like a whole bunch of growth, 2-pass shaves are best for me with the grain, across the grain, or maybe with the grain against the grain. Not that I get irritation or anything if I do 3. Sometimes I do, but it's kind of foolproof for me if I just go with a 2-pass shave. So here we go. Like I said, fresh Super Iridium. What is it? Yeah, Super Iridium. The People Blade. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and also on our site also put my straight razors up there. I was asked, because currently I just have them selling on Etsy, so I was asked if we would be listing them on the site because this person said that their account on Etsy was banned. Okay, so I was like, yeah, I can list them on there. It'll probably be this weekend, so I'll throw those up there as well. The account on Etsy was banned. I'm not sure why. I didn't ask. It doesn't matter. But I thought that was kind of weird. Yeah, this soap is great. Actually, I'll show you really quick. Let me finish this pass and I'll show you. It's been, I need to do another spot. I did a spotlight Did I do a spotlight with Crowne and Crane? Artisan spotlight? I'm not sure if I did or not now that I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna have to do at least 2, maybe even 3 spotlights with Crowne and Crane in the near future because I have so many samples from them I went ahead and purchased. I'll show you now. Let me empty the sink here and do a quick little rinse and then I'll show you. But like, at this point, maybe 5 months ago, 6 months ago, I purchased like, I don't feel like the super iridium blades are super efficient because I know this razor is. The razor is absolutely super efficient, but like the super iridium, like going with the grain, like I can still feel a little stubble, but going across and against, obviously, like there's a lot of stubble left. Like, listen, there's a lot of stubble left. It's not, I don't think that's average for other blades, or most other blades that I prefer. Tiger blades, those type of things. I can't get a good shave with those. Let's see. Here, look. These are all, I'll show you real quick. We have Kraken, we have tobacco leaf and amber, tobacco vanilla, we have Frenchman Street, we have Barista. I don't remember if I did a video on like kind of smelling all these or not. What is this? I don't have my glasses on. Cavalier, maybe? Is that Cavalier? Mackay, I think. Very nice scent there. All these are very nice, but obviously we have our favorites, right? I did a shave with this one as well. This isn't a full size puck. Wild Fig and Evergreen and Bank. Bank's very nice too. But anyway, I bought what, 12 of these, whatever, however many it was. But yeah. If you have not tried Crowne and Crane, do yourself a favor and get some. Crowne and Crane is great. Great. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull what we have out of the brush here. I could add a lot more water to this, so when that's the case, the brush does kind of hold on to a bit of lather, but check that out, dude. Wow. And we have, okay, so I may have put a little too much in the bowl, because we have a ton in the bowl, and this is the last pass, so I'm gonna kind of feel a little bad rinsing that excess lather out of the sink, or down the sink, down the drain, but it'll be okay. She'll forgive me, Crowne and Crane. Okay, so we have our fingers and brush handle, everything kind of loaded with soap. Hope everyone's doing very well. Hope you're all safe and illness free. We kind of battled a little bit here. A couple of weeks of like a upper respiratory infection type thing. But look at that. Like I said, I'm gonna kind of feel, if we kind of scoop all that out, I'm gonna kind of feel a little bad for rinsing that down the drain, but I can't do anything about it. It is what it is. It's meant to be used, right? It's meant to be used. And I've got a ton more. And I can always buy another tub. So, hey. Yeah, but Deep Ellum is a very, very nice scent. So, I believe she told me that was her husband's favorite scent. As I said, you know, everybody has their preferences and favorites. Out of the 12 or so that I have, 11 or 12 that I have, I wouldn't say that it's my favorite, but it's definitely top 5. It really is nice. The ingredients. So there's a tallow and a vegan apparently, because this is the tallow ingredients: aloe vera juice, potassium stearate, sodium stearate, potassium tallowate. So basically just saponified tallow. And anyway, I don't need to break it down. Anything that stands out here? Kokum, shea, glycerin, lanolin, sodium lactate, tussilicic. Yeah, I don't. Sodium cocoate, so fragrance. Yeah. Woodstock, Georgia. What's the website? CrowneandCrane.com. Also sold at the Razor Company and probably some other places as well, but I haven't really, in all honesty, since 2017 when I started, I've purchased from Maggard's twice. I've purchased from artisans directly. The vast majority of my purchases are from artisans directly. But the main vendor, as you could probably guess, is the Razor Company. I'm not even affiliated with the Razor Company. I don't get paid for anything. But, you know, Jason's just a great dude, depending on who you listen to. I can assure you, though. But anyway, that's here nor there. But, yeah. I typically purchase directly from artisans, but if I can't find it, if it's out of stock, whatever. Now, I haven't purchased anything in a very long time. I've been trying to put all my money into the company, but all my spare money into the company. But yeah, so I really haven't purchased too much. I purchased a towel, the microfiber towel, you know, that type of thing, because I really wanted one. I've been wanting one. So rinsing out the sink here. Oh, the splash. I didn't even talk about that. Let's talk about the splash. I have Northwoods from Crowne and Crane. If you like, you know, you could classify that as like a woodsy, like a fall scent, I guess. But for me, Northwoods from Crowne and Crane like gets me in that holiday spirit, dude. It's like Christmas, like lathered on my face. I don't have any. I don't know if she does splashes. I have the balm for Northwood. I think I have it in here. Yeah, it's right here. I have the balm, and it is. I mean, the balm itself is great, but the scent is phenomenal. I love that scent. Northwoods. Now you have to like the scent. I think it's like fur and that type, but you have to like, you know, that type of scent. But if you do, you are missing out if you don't have that. All right. Got my ears lowered today, aka haircut. It's okay. I'm half blind, but I don't have my glasses on, and you know, obviously I can't keep my glasses on during the cut. So, anyway, long story long. It's not bad, but also it's not like, anyway, not perfect. But you know, what's perfect, right? All right. Do I have little fuzzies on my face? No. Okay. All right. So this is, well, the bottle doesn't matter. That's just a sample bottle that we received a long time ago that I've just kind of repurposed for testing splashes and stuff. But this is Iggy 6. I got your 6. And I have not, well, so there's two people. I have a group of testers, and I've mentioned this several times on this channel, but I have a group of, I've expanded it actually, it's like 12 now, but I have a group of testers that I send stuff to, bouncing, you know, ideas off and scents off, and like, do you like this? What needs to change? Blah, 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 blah. You know, add a little bit more of this or a little less, whatever. And Iggy 6 has only gone out to 2 people. There's a reason for that, and not that I'm alluding to it now, but I'll talk more about that when the time comes. When we release this, I put on a little more. But Iggy 6 is a very, very nice scent. It has been, well, anyway, we've gotten some great feedback. I kind of did like a little family pass around on the EDP, and that's been the best feedback that we've gotten so far on any scent. So Also, that was only the second scent. The first one was Midnight Moods. Icky 6 was the second that I did like a family pass around. But anyway, feedback on that has been great. But anyway, that's the shave, guys. I've rambled a bit too long. Pretty good shave. I don't think I missed any spots. Again, I don't have my glasses on, so if I did, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm going a little hoarse. Still have a little bit of tickle in the throat from the upper respiratory, I guess. But yeah, other than that, I think that's it. If you guys have questions, as always, my email's down below. You can leave comments. I respond to all comments, typically within 24 hours or less. You can follow me on Instagram at Thomas the Shaver or Nightwatch Soap Coat. Yeah, and again, Havana Nights will be released Saturday at the Razor Company and nightwatchsoapco.com. We've used, as I've said a few times, Deep Ellum by Crowne and Crane tonight. Very, very nice scent. Yeah. Very nice scent, very nice performance from the base. I don't know what more you can ask for. Other than that, hope you all have a great one, and I'll catch you next time.